Hi, I'm Dr. Patty Ford, and this is my YouTube. Today, I'm just going to talk about habits of thinking that can support your worth, that can support your self-worth. So I work with people on their health and their food space and their diet space. And a lot of times people have a very difficult time, and it's subconscious, with their self-worth, meaning I'm never good enough. My body isn't good enough. My food sucks. I'm not safe in this environment. There's always this bad guy. And sometimes if you're the bad guy, your self-worth takes a hit. And I'm going to read this out loud, see how it feels, see how it's received, and see what you think about it. I am unconditional, meaning I enjoy being me. I recognize and embrace my irreplaceable value. I place no conditions on my intrinsic worth as a human being. I am fully available to serve. So if you don't think that that's true, it is almost impossible to go in there and get that lack of self-worth out. It's almost impossible to pull that out, fix it, and put it back in. That's traumatic and surgical, and you could probably kill the patient. So to work on your self-worth, to enhance your self-worth, is peeling back layers of protection that you've built around yourself to continue the story of I'm not good enough. So we want to take one layer and one layer and one layer and one layer off safely in a trusted space where you can talk about the layers without judgment, without evaluation, to get to your core, to where you can realize that you are irreplaceable and you have priceless value because of your human nature. And if you've been conditioned since birth to believe that your worth does have a price on it, this is a really sensitive one. Signs that this is happening for you: if there's lots of secrets, if there's been lots of trauma, if there's been lots of pain or hurt or chronic conditions where you just feel like no one can understand you, being in a safe place with a safe witness, to realize that your unique story is yours and the truth is you do have value, so that you can feel your sense of self-worth or self-esteem. That will be lots of time and transformation, but also will be the initiation of change that you need to step forward in plans. So believing in yourself takes time, but a lot of times it takes a space for someone else to witness your true value and for them to believe it, and then you to believe it in time. As we enter in the new year, know that you do have meaning, you do have value, and I'm glad that you're here watching. And if you need support, reach out to anyone. For me, I'm pretty easily to access, and I'm taking new clients, but also if it's not me, free resources in our nation, 988 is a free resource that's confidential, that someone will listen to you and apply support in a confidential and safe way. All right, have a good day. Thanks. Bye.